it.
Do video.
I am videoing.
Shush. Oh my gosh.
Well, it looks cool on the camera.
I'm not gonna scream. I'm not gonna scream. Oh my gosh. Come on. Oh! Oh my gosh. What the heck, man?
This is cool.
Yeah, this is cool because there's no
It's
thunder.
like a freaking light show up there.
And there's no thunder.
God's having fun. I'll tell you right now.
Yeah,
It's
God
a
is
party.
It's like, holy cow. Oops. Light. It's like oh my gosh, beyond that tree there.
One thing I'm scared about is
Holy cow,
thunderstorms
it's
is
like
what if-
everywhere. What the heck? It's like just like freaking rays everywhere.
I don't
There's,
see
like,
the
no
rays.
thunder.
But behind the clouds. Holy
I want to
cow.
see an actual like.
Yeah, I want to see
Like
a
the one
strike.
we missed.
I know. We can sit on your back.
Oh my God. No, you guys better get inside.
We will.
It really is inside.
Oh yeah, your sunroom. I want a sunroom. And new houses.
We're
We're
not
under
done
a
yet.
severe thunderstorm watch. I'm sorry, I should have said that.
Oh my gosh. I mean, it's pretty, but
Whoa,
oh,
that
what
was
the
cool.
heck? Oh!
Are you still recording, Amy?
Yeah.
Yeah, what is a tag? It's a whole show. Rachel,
Come on, light change. I want to go home.
Rachel, how do you spell Mississippi?
Oh my gosh.
MISSIS. I don't know.
MISSISSIPPR.
We were at Annie. You know, Amy was in Annie in the library tour,
Yeah.
and what is it? The backup called, Amy?
Understudy.
The understudy. It was her turn to do the show, and she couldn't spell Mississippi, and that was one of her lines. It was funny. Holy cow! What the heck is going on? You hear it now?
No.
No.
Oh,
I
that's
hear.
the puddles.
Yeah.
I like when the lightning cracks.
Yeah.
It's
Oh
a
my
satisfying
gosh,
noise.
this is insane. You know, someone's mad up there. That's all I
fight.
can think. I mean, it hasn't stopped. Okay, I need to focus on getting us home faster. This is insane. And now there's fog. The heck, 2020?
I know, 2020's not been nice to us at all.
Mm-hmm.
I think there's sleet now.
Sleet.
I mean, what is it called?
Hail.
Duh, it's sleet. Okay, I can't think right now. My brain is scared.
When?
Watch, I was gonna say stop recording, but as soon as you stop recording, it's gonna be.
I know.
Yeah.
I think it's
Big
on like our
pulse.
right side, so when we turn, we're gonna get like, cause it's
Oh,
really
yeah.
coming from behind those
Holy
trees.
cow! I'm okay.
You got
Ginger the ninja. I gotta hold on. I gotta channel my ninja. Holy cow! This has never been one of my favorite things. These are a few of my not favorite things.
This is part of my favorite things. This is so cool.
Nope. Oh my gosh! Get me home. Get me home. I'm okay.
We got
Okay.
this.
Are you?
I got this. Yep. Okay.
It's just like nonstop.
It is nonstop. Maybe some good music to chill me out. Oh, oh my gosh! I didn't scream though. I'm good. My knuckles are white from holding the freaking steering wheel so tight, but I'm okay. You know, I'm not even gonna stop when I drop you girls off. You just tuck and roll.
We will.
Ah, mommy.
Oh.
Yep. Tuck and roll. It's a good skill to learn. Holy! Oh, you think it's funny?
I do think it's funny.
I don't think it's funny, Miss Ginger.
Thank you. See, Lizzie cares about
I
me.
do.
Oh my gosh! I think I'm straining like my neck because I'm so tense. Oh my
Whoa.
gosh! And there's a person here. What the fudge? The heck? He came out of freaking nowhere. The door's locked. I almost screamed. That almost made me scream because he was just standing there in the rain.
Really? Was he not walking?
No, he
No.
was
He was
standing there.
standing on his phone.
Oh, was he on his phone?
I think he was.
Oh, what?
Why would he be out in the store?
Mm-hmm.
Not smart.
And on a turn, you know, like. Okay, I got this. We're almost there. You know, it'd be funny if we run out of gas now.
Oh my gosh.
There's nothing about that.
I'll start running home, leave you girl. Oh my gosh! Holy shit! Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh. That was scary, I will admit.
Oh my gosh! I don't know how I didn't crash.
So cool.
Oh my
There's
gosh!
the thunder.
Amy, I'm gonna sleep with you tonight.
There's not enough room unless you want me in your bed.
No. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you might have to. I'm scared.
I have to shower.
I'm gonna cry.
It's
Oh my
okay,
God.
You know
Mother.
you're not supposed to shower during thunderstorms?
Why?
I don't know. It's just a thing.
Well, we're gonna have to do
No,
it, Rachel.
no, Mom, no.
No.
No?
Oh yeah, no.
Oh.
Sorry.
Oh, you're going to Rachel's?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, only one stop.
Makes it better.
Yep. Tuck and roll.
Yep.
I think we're good, Amy, because the trees are gonna cover the. Oh my gosh.
Imagine the poor stray kitties.
Imagine poor puppy.
Skipper's ugly.
No, but he's scared.
Yeah.
Max would be scared.
Oh.
If he wasn't dead.
I miss Max a bit.
Max.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
We're almost there.
Almost there. Almost freaking there. I swear. What are these people doing in that car? I see you.
Ew.
Were they kissing?
Oh no.
Maybe a little more than that.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Because what would they be doing out in a stormy night in the backseat of their car?
Why can't they go in their house?
Because they're probably teenagers.
Yep.